This is the best method to create viral shorts. Just take a look at this.
In the heart of the city, there lay a forsaken subway station. Subway Station 13.
Today, I will show you a method for creating viral videos for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram that nobody talks about. You'll be able to make these engaging videos without a camera or recording your voice. You will learn how to voice text using artificial intelligence and edit videos even if you have no prior experience. This YouTube channel shares historical facts and earns up to $40,000 by creating shorts. To create such a video, you can follow these steps. Step 1. Use ChatGPT to generate content. Step 2. ElevanLabs for voiceover. Step 3. Canva for video editing. Step 1. Go to ChatGPT and type, "Hello, my friend. Today we will talk about YouTube." After this, we write what content we will use for our videos. For example, you can request an interesting fact about a famous person. In my case, I want to create videos with short and interesting stories. So I'm writing this write me a scary and interesting story about a metro. ChatGPT wrote us a story. If it's too long for shorts, then we have two options. First, we can ask to make it shorter. Second, we can split this story into several videos. In that case, if people find this story interesting, they will visit the channel and watch the next videos, which will positively impact your channel's statistics. I will ask to make it shorter. Now we need to select the first few paragraphs to narrate. Step 2. Go to the website, ElevanLabs.io. Here, you'll find dozens of voices available to us. The website offers us up to 10,000 characters per month for free. If this is not enough, you can purchase a subscription starting at $1. Choosing a voice. At the bottom, we can adjust our voice. Next, paste our text here and click on Generate. Afterward, download the voice file. Step 3. Go to canva.com. Click on Videos and select the mobile video format, 1080x1920. On the left, you'll find a panel. Click on Elements, then Video. In the search bar, look for Metro. Click on the video that suits your needs, and it will appear as a window. Of course, if there's no suitable video here, you can upload your own. To make it fill the entire space, click on the three dots and select Set Video as Background. Upload our voiceover here. The video should be as long as our voiceover. Now go to Elements and click on Audio. Here, you can choose suitable music or upload your own. And that's it. All that's left is to insert the sound and video. Now, click on Share and then Download. Here, you can choose the quality of the video and click Download. This is what I managed to achieve.
In the heart of the city, there lay a forsaken subway station. Subway Station 13. Decades ago, a horrifying train accident claimed many lives, leading to the station's closure. Over time, stories circulated about eerie occurrences within its tunnels. One fateful night, a group of daring urban explorers decided to uncover the truth. Armed with cameras and flashlights, they ventured into the station's depths. As they delved deeper, strange orbs of light appeared in their photos, and faint whispers echoed around them.
If the video was helpful, please write about it in the comments and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.